Best waterproof metal detector. We review top 5 best waterproof metal detector. For more details and price, click product link description. Garrett Ace 250. Barisic started his own detecting career with a Garrett Ace 250, which he says isn't too complicated or heavy to carry. For the money, it's great because it has notch discrimination, a function that allows you to choose which types of metals to target. 5 search modes, and a host of other features, he says. This model has a search coil that is waterproof to a depth of 9 inches, which, according to Connecticut-based detectorist Jesse Thompson, who has been passionate about metal detecting since he was 14 years old, makes it great for practicing on sandy beaches. If your budget doesn't accommodate the 250, the Garrett Ace 150 has a lot of the same features for a slightly lower price. Minelab Go Find 22 compact and ultra-lightweight metal detector. If you've got a kid who's dying to start digging for treasure, Martin recommends getting them the Minelab Go Find 66. It's powerful, lightweight, and collapsible, and it syncs to your smartphone with an app that can help you ID your finds. Because the search coil is waterproof, kids can get used to digging in loose sand on the beach before moving on to more difficult terrain. XP Deus Mi6 Pinpointer metal detector. All of the experts we spoke to said that, in addition to a metal detector, you will need a pinpointer to help locate your treasure once you start digging. Thompson likens it to a smaller version of a metal detector that helps keep him from digging unnecessarily big and messy holes. You want to dig what looks kind of like a trapdoor. Basically, you cut 3 sides, and you tilt the dirt over. That way, when you put everything back in, it's like you never were there, he says. Both he and Dominique Ivy, a detectorist in the Northeast, use White's Electronics DRX Bullseye waterproof pinpointer. Unfortunately, that particular model is sold out everywhere online at the moment, but Martin recommends this one from XP. RICOMAX metal detector. This particular metal detector is a much more traditional option. The kind of metal detector that you've likely seen other people using when you are out on your treasure hunting excursions. This system takes advantage of a 10-inch search coil to help you locate buried treasure. Coins, jewelry, and precious metals at depths of up to 10 inches. Also provides a pinpoint accuracy function to help you zero in on the position of these buried treasures as well. The discrimination of this detector is top-notch, and it's predisposed to avoid false positives. RICOMAX metal detector pinpointer. Another top-notch pinpoint-style hand wand metal detector. This unit also takes advantage of 360 degrees side scan radar detection to find objects buried up to 10.8 inches in the ground. This system also features a one-button control scheme that allows you to detect for all metal sources under the ground, with built-in discrimination technology to avoid false positives and help you dig up a lot less bottle caps and pull tabs than you would have otherwise. Pinpoint technology helps show you exactly where you need to dig when you are ready to pull up the treasure, precious metals, and other materials that you have detected with this radar.